American tactical and gear companies. That can be found on Amazon. High Speed Gear is dedicated to building the best 100% American-made, battle-proven tactical gear. High Speed Gear started as a custom shop in 1999, making gear for Marines at Camp Lejeune. Since then, the company has grown to be the largest full-time employer in Swansboro, North Carolina, with distinct and innovative products like the Taco and the Shore Grip padded belt. Our products are designed for the highest level of comfort, functionality, and versatility. Satisfaction is guaranteed for all of our customers, whether military, law enforcement, or responsibly armed citizens. Our products are user-driven and are designed based on the operational experiences of a wide variety of end users. About Blue Force Gear. Since our beginning in 2004, we strive for excellence in all we do and to exemplify that excellence in our products and design. We are devoted to those we serve to deliver innovative gear with superior quality. Blue Force Gear is not satisfied with making the same thing as everyone else, merely changing the color or style. We design by a code of advancement. If we can't make something better than what is currently available, we don't make it. By continually innovating, our products will always be different. We are proud to have pioneered technological innovations that have revolutionized load carriage and weapon carrying, establishing the world standard in weapon slings and the world's lightest, MAL-compatible load carriage. Of course, we are not stopping there. We are continually improving our gear lineup and looking for more ways to improve the tactical gear industry and ultimately the warriors here at home and worldwide. Eagle Industries was born from the uncompromising demands of the Navy SEAL community, and those standards are still what drive everything we do to this day. All of our gear is Berry compliant and proudly made in the USA to ensure our end users, from top-tier military to backcountry adventurers, have exactly what they need to go above and beyond every day. Since our end users never rest, neither do we. Here at Eagle Industries, we're constantly evolving with the requirements of today's warriors to support them on their missions on land, on sea, and in the air. No matter what you're gearing up for, Eagle has your back. Travis Haley is a veteran Force Reconnaissance Marine with 15 years of dedicated real-world experience including combat tours in the Middle East, Africa and Central Asia. After leaving the military, Mr. Haley served as a special operations and security contractor before partnering with Magpul as founder and CEO of their training division, Magpul Dynamics. Mr. Haley also served as CEO of the parent company, Magpul Industries, before breaking off to form the endeavor that would become Haley Strategic Partners. About proper. We got our start in 1967 with a contract for the United States Navy, manufacturing the iconic Dixie Cup hat worn by United States sailors. Over the decades since, we've supplied more garments, over 120 million, to the United States Department of Defense than any other manufacturer, and built a commercial brand of product for law enforcement agencies and the greater public safety community. Our heritage informs how we operate. We are a retail brand, but don't believe in razzle-dazzle marketing ploys or gimmicky tactical names. We let our value win you over, with quality you can trust time and time again. We believe loyalty is earned through experience. You may not have tried us before, but once you do, you will see what we mean. T3 difference. T3, Trident Tactical Technical is a singularly unique manufacturer and distributor of the highest quality tactical and technical equipment. Our headquarters and first retail location opened August 2010 on Trident Way on the Naval Amphibious Base, NAB Coronado. Our unique presence on NAB puts us right next to the West Coast SEAL teams and the training program for all new SEALs, the famous Basic Underwater Demolition SEAL training. There is no other commercial location anywhere like ours. Through our proximity and access to the United States Special Operations Command Unit, T3 is aware of the SEALs' latest tactics, techniques, procedures and requirements. The unique knowledge base of T3 driven by this contact, isn't possessed by anyone else in the tactical equipment or high-end outdoor product industries. Viking Tactics Inc. Stay in the fight. Viking Tactics, Inc. offers an elite selection of high-quality, battle-proven tactical gear, designed by warriors for warriors. We want to provide you with quality products, affordable pricing, and responsive customer service. Hello. Welcome to Rain Tactical. We have been in business since 1986 when canvas gear was still popular. Rain Tactical was one of the first to produce gear with nylon and has been used in every conflict since Grenada. You will find Rain Tactical in U.S. military exchanges and military retailers around the globe. Our philosophy has always been to build a well-engineered product like a tank. We hear from guys returning from duty that rain gear is usually reused and not thrown out. You get bang for the buck. Please review our website and feel free to contact us with any comments or recommendations. Since we are the manufacturer, you can purchase professional military gear at a reasonable price. Happy hunting. John Rain, President. CompTac Victory Gear is devoted to designing and manufacturing the highest quality concealed carry, competition, tactical holsters and related accessories on the market. CompTac products offer options that make it easy and comfortable to carry a firearm for all our customers, law enforcement, military, shooting sports enthusiasts and responsibly armed citizens. Crye Precision designs and manufactures truly innovative equipment for America's fighting forces. We are proud and honored to serve our customers' needs. We spend as much time as we can with users, continuously incorporating their experience and feedback into the gear. We give them our full support and are indebted to them for their service and their sacrifice. We make uncompromising gear for uncompromising individuals. We work hard to provide smart, high-performance, long-wearing gear for people who demand the best. We make all of our gear in America from American materials. Every item is designed to help you perform better.
About STAC. STAC is an American-owned and run business located Camano Island, Washington. We specialize in chest rigs.
Surefire, LLC, is an American company headquartered in Fountain Valley, California. Their main products are flashlights, weapon-mounted lights, headlamps, and laser sights. In addition, Surefire produces knives, sound suppressors, earplugs, Picatinny rails, high-capacity magazines, and batteries. The company is a major supplier of flashlights, weapon lights, and lasers to the United States Armed Forces and its allies, especially for elite special operations groups such as the Navy SEALs. Surefire products are widely used in the United States by law enforcement agencies and SWAT teams. About U.S. Cloud Defensive. We are an optimization company. As a company, we challenge convention when need be and demand things work better. Like you, we don't compromise on performance. And when we identify a need in the market that should be addressed, that is when we get to work. We're not bound by the notion that we have to reinvent the wheel either. Sometimes it's just about enhancing things that already exist. Other times, we have to challenge traditional dogma a bit more, but always with the belief that we can make your equipment better. We also do that by maintaining the strictest quality control standards, effectively managing production times, maintaining proper control over inventory and turning around your orders with the speed you demand. All while being the most accessible company in the business. You won't find faster responses to your inquiries, questions. Our commitment to making you better drives it all. And we don't compromise on that. Tactical Tailor specializes in high-quality American-made tactical gear for military, law enforcement and civilian use. Our retail store also carries a wide selection of tactical footwear, uniform and outdoor items that are not available on our website. Here at Shellback Tactical, our mission is to design and manufacture premium, innovative tactical gear so you can fight the good fight. Born in 2003, Shellback Tactical was first to the market with the world-famous Banshee rifle plate carrier, currently worn all over the world protecting those in the line of duty, military, law enforcement and first responders. Our products are designed from the input of operators in the field, not operators sitting behind a desk, leading to a wide range of products focused on mission-specific requirements, functionality, and durability. Our product lineup includes ballistics, tactical nylon and apparel. Our world-class customer service team with tactical experience is standing by to help you complete your mission. Known for doing the common things uncommonly well, our fulfillment team ships all orders out of our warehouse faster than anyone else in the industry. It is an absolute honor and privilege to support those who serve. Now it's time to gear up, move out and get to work. About Us Mechanics Wear. The glove that started it all. In 1991 the original glove was born. The brainchild of a legendary race mechanic that sparked a revolution for working hands. Championed by mechanics and pit crews at the 1991 Daytona 500, the original is the glove that started it all. Decades later, our roots in motorsports have grown into industries where skilled hands go to work every day. Mechanics, construction workers, trade professionals, service members and law enforcement all agree. About Us Eberlstock. Making things better. From our original roots in the radical design of Olympic-class biathlon racing rifles to our current projects, Everstock has shown the world how much performance should be expected of outdoor gear. We have always been a pioneer and a leader, not a follower. Here you'll find original concepts and a better way of doing things. For the hunter, the tactical operator, the shooting sports, or the hardcore adventure outdoorsman, we invite you to explore our current designs. You'll find something that you can really use it hard, and use it well. And we'll be excited to show you what's around the next corner. About Us Mystery Ranch. In this world, there are people who live the strenuous life, long, hard days outside in punishing conditions, and there are companies that make their gear. From the battlefield to the backcountry, from the edge of a raging wildfire to the top of a 15,000-foot peak, Mystery Ranch supplies these stalwart souls with backpacks to match their boldness. Conceived in the Rocky Mountains and used all over the world, Mystery Ranch packs have always had a single purpose: to minimize the burden on your back, which in turn maximizes your strength, speed, and overall performance, as a soldier, firefighter, hunter, skier, climber, or whatever bold and strenuous activity you call your own. This much we know: how you spend your time is who you are. At Mystery Ranch, we spend our time making the best load-hauling backpacks in the world, and using them, ourselves, every day. Sewers set out at lunch for a quick lap at the local trailhead, while designers gather to plan the next day's dawn patrol. Weekends are spent in the mountains. We return to work with broad smiles, stories to share, and worn-out dogs that snooze at our feet. Our enticement is alpine air and adrenaline, our reward, flushed faces and lactic acid in the legs. We embrace the strenuous life, and outdoor adventure is our passion. With great passion, of course, comes great power, which in our case means the power to improve backpack design. And that's precisely what we've been doing since 2000, when Mystery Ranch was born in the burgeoning outdoor oasis of Bozeman, Montana. Founders Dana Gleason and Renee Sipple-Baker brought decades of industry experience to bear, furthering their longtime goal of making backpacks better, stronger, more flexible and durable, and, above all, more comfortable to carry when loaded. Built on the bedrock of Dana Design and other renowned outdoor brands, Mystery Ranch has since become a bastion of load-bearing R&D. From the first Navy SEALs who placed a custom order to the thousands of elite soldiers who now rely on us to keep their loads as secure, stable, and pain-free as possible, it's always been about doing the best for the best. Because as far as we're concerned, nothing else is worth doing. Moreover, nothing else so strongly drives our central imperative, the pursuit of perfection. The best fabrics, the best frames, the best technology, the best people and the best ideas. We listen to our customers' problems and then do everything we can to solve them. We do this with a potent admixture of collaboration, creativity, and audacity. Not to mention hard work, and lots of it. We make backpacks, after all, and we make them for the long haul. As the old saying goes, quality is never an accident, it is always the result of intelligent effort. With a synergistic blend of pack-building prowess and exacting customer demands, we produce simple, practical designs that are inherently purposeful, tools, not toys. Another unassailable adage: form follows function. Our packs have a job to do, and we make damn sure they'll do it right, all day, every day. At Mystery Ranch, our mission is to support your mission, whatever that may be. Our customers are the rough and rugged ones of this earth, those ambitious men and women with a lust for adventure and an affinity for struggle, be it occupation or recreation, perilous profession or ardent pastime, daily duty or weekend escape. They're discriminating people in demanding conditions. They must haul more and hurt less. They cannot, and will not, fail. And, if we have anything to say about it, neither will their gear. About Us Benchmade. How we began. Our founder, Les Diasis, began building handmade custom Bali songs in the 1980s. The success of these custom Balis spurred the creation of the first production Bali song, the Model 68. Benchmade Knife Company was born in 1987, driven to produce product in the U.S. and with a strong commitment to product availability, quality, and customer relationships. Today, we continue to focus on innovation, customer needs, responsible business ethics and operations to bring the highest quality products to the world's elite. About us. At Force Protector Gear we operate from 3 basic tenets: be dependable, be listening, and always be innovating in order to make something new, something better, something different. The result is products made from the highest quality materials and old school craftsmanship, and an entire company dedicated to providing unparalleled customer support. At FPG, we make products that make a difference. About us. Named after our parent company London Bridge Trading, LBX, London Bridge X being the unknown variable, was developed just for that, the unknown. With our core map system, Mission Adaptive Panel System, LBX lets the end user decide how to run their gear for the mission at hand. Designed and developed at the home office in Virginia Beach, LBX Tactical is cut from U.S.-made materials and manufactured in Virginia Beach, Virginia, El Paso, Texas, Cranston, Rhode Island, and Peru, South America. The product line is held to the same stringent sewing standards as LBT and comes with a lifetime warranty. Whether you're military, ex-military, weekend warrior, sports enthusiast, or just an all-out adrenaline junkie, look for LBX to offer a wide variety of products with the ability to mix and match components for endless custom load-out capabilities to accommodate your needs. About us. Making boots is our expertise. Belleville Boot Company is the oldest and leading manufacturer of boots for the U.S. military, beginning with our first combat boot supply order during World War I. Since our founding in 1904, we've perfected our bootmaking craft through innovative materials and the latest footwear technology to deliver the highest performing boots on the market. As a fifth-generation family-owned company, we pride ourselves in making the hardest working boots for the hardest working people. Belleville Boots supplies the largest selection of certified flight boots to the U.S. military, as well as develops an assortment of styles to meet the specialized needs across all military branches, law enforcement and public safety agencies. Belleville boots are tough, strong and perform in any environment, just like the servicemen and women we're proud to supply. About U.S. Rocky. Rugged innovation since 1932. Brothers William, Bill, and F.M. Mike Brooks took a leap of faith during the Great Depression to start a shoe factory in southeastern Ohio. From humble beginnings as the William Brooks Shoe Co. in 1932, we are now a world leader in quality outdoor, work, western, public service and military footwear, but we still call Ohio home. About U.S. Garmont. Garmont is a premier performance footwear brand for mountaineering, hiking and outdoor adventures. Discover Garmont Tactical Military Boots, the result of great research, built with high-quality materials and tested on all types of terrain. About us. Miles Tactical. Your search for the toughest tactical dog collar is over. Miles Tactical has a variety of heavy-duty tactical dog collars you can be proud of putting on your K9 friend. Our dog collars use Austri Alpen Cobra buckles and dependable steel hardware along with the hook and loop adjustment method for a no-slip design. Ghillie Suits Camouflage. International shipping on our Ghillie Suit Camouflage. With a ghillie suit, the advantage you can gain over your target never ceases to amaze first-time users. Instances of being stepped on and walked over during paintball and airsoft scenario games are common. A ghillie suit is still a necessity when going through a military sniper course. Generally, you will want to build a ghillie from scratch by getting one of our ghillie kits, but if there is no time for that, you should focus on our BDU, battle dress uniform, suits. These are built extra tough and can make it through an extreme sniper course. Blue Collar Tactical. Blue Collar Tactical is a veteran-owned and operated full-service FFL dealer located in Sioux Falls, South Dakota that can provide Second Amendment products without breaking the bank. Who we are. Relentless dedication to protect your vision. Revision is a solution provider specializing in ballistic and laser protective eyewear. We utilize robust design and development expertise and experience combined with significant investment in efficient high-volume manufacturing and vertical integration to drive a fundamental and powerful objective, delivering protective eyewear solutions that save lives. Revision was founded in 2001 as an eyewear company. In 2019, when the Revision brand and eyewear business was sold to Asgard Partners and Company and Merit Capital Partners, we were able to return to our heritage, designing, developing and manufacturing world-class protective eyewear for men and women in uniform around the globe. It's easy to say Revision is just eyewear now. But we like to think we're much more. We are clearly focused on eyewear. With focus comes innovation. Now 100% owned and operated in the USA, our team is all under one roof. We're all driving towards the same goal, more united, impassioned and dedicated than ever. Breathing new life into our culture and development efforts. Every decision and investment is made with the sole purpose of furthering the eyewear business, innovation and technology. In our 53,000 square foot facility in Essex Junction, Vermont, we have a state-of-the-art manufacturing clean room which houses North America's premier lens molding equipment and coating line. We are proud to say our employees assemble 100% of our eyewear in-house. Our team of approximately 140 employees includes many veterans, native Vermonters and new Americans. We all have immense pride in the impact of our work and we strive daily to provide the best protection to those who serve and protect all of us here at home and abroad. Our users rely on our eyewear in life or death situations. They expect our eyewear to protect them and to get them home safely. We take this to heart from the beginning of the product life cycle to the end. This duty to our users, the men and women who stand for us all, is always at the forefront of our minds. When forces the world over use products emblazoned with the Revision logo, we want them to know that this represents quality and reliability. That we are able to contribute to their brave actions is humbling and gratifying. We exist so soldiers, tactical forces and other users of Revision equipment can perform at their peak and prevail through the mission at hand. About us. I grew up hunting and fishing on a farm in upstate New York, and joined the Army as a medic on September 2, 2003. Upon completing a long training pipeline in 2005, I became a medic for the 1st Ranger Battalion, 75th Ranger Regiment. My training included airborne school, Ranger Indoctrination Program, RIP, medical training at Fort Sam, Houston, Texas, and John F. Kennedy Special Warfare Training Center, 18D course, in Fort Bragg, NC. This was where I completed the first 6 months of the 18D course to become a Ranger Battalion medic. I served 2 tours in Iraq with Alpha Company 1st Platoon, 1st Ranger Battalion of Savannah, Georgia until 2007. During my time as a medic utilizing a multitude of different products and gear, I started to think of ways to improve and to store the gear I was using. I was always modifying my own gear so it would work as I wanted. In 2009 I started working overseas as a medical officer for society. I noticed there had been a lot of advancements, but none of the things I had worked on were there. Over the next few years, I continued to modify things to make them fit my needs, and in the years to follow I started looking around for better parts and materials I could use to make my own gear from scratch. A friend introduced me to Kydex and wanted me to make a knife sheath with it. The rest is history. I helped him make his modifications and then ordered my own Kydex. I realized I could make things the way I wanted them. I developed the IWB holster for a friend who asked me to make him a holster because he was uncomfortable. After some trial and error, the Wilder IWB was born. Simple, functional, and extremely comfortable. I developed my tourniquet holder after having my rubber bands break due to drying out and becoming brittle. Many people I know have been doing that for years and dealing with the same problems. It's fast and efficient, but they dry out and break every few weeks, especially when in the elements. It ended up being a radical new idea that was embraced by many, and faster than I could make them. It has since been modified to the current design standard for a specific look, but the function has always remained the same, solid and reliable. The original shape had smooth rolling lines, the second version offered better coverage from the elements, and the latest Evolution model fits all major tourniquet models and functions better than ever. The majority of my products are designed for comfort and efficiency, and to meet the demands of real-world environments. I have all my gear tested and evaluated by professionals that actually use them. They work in the harshest environments and require their gear to just plain work. Their lives depend on it. I decided to start Wilder Tactical at the urging of my friends and family. I wanted to make my products available to anyone whose life depended on tools that are functional and practical. Wilder Tactical products will be everything you need and nothing you don't. Josh Van Heusen, owner. Wilder Tactical, LLC. About us. For nearly a century, Danner has crafted boots with purpose and integrity, footwear to equip those who choose the unlikely path, those who cut fresh trails, those who pioneer. Charles Danner came west to build the best boots loggers had ever known, an effort that resulted in a long-standing heritage brand with a renegade spirit. A spirit that proudly lives on in each pair of Danner boots we make to this day. Charles Danner felt the pull to the wild of the Pacific Northwest, drawn by the promise of opportunity in the rugged unknown. He came with a commitment to quality craftsmanship and a deep respect for the uncompromising landscape. From the gleaming alpine lakes and the plummeting river gorges, to the thick forests and the sweeping coastlines, Danner boots are of this place. Magpul Industries Corporation is an American designer and manufacturer of high-tech polymer and composite firearms accessories like M-LOK. Magpul Industries takes its name from its first product, the Magpul magazine puller, an accessory for the Stanag magazines used by NATO armed forces, which aids users in pulling magazines from pouches.